AI is about to change everything. Some business will emerge as a massive winner while many will disappear. If you want to come on top, first you need to understand and acknowledge how AI can connect to your business. Whether you are a CEO, business owner, or agency or employee, AI will change the way you operate. In this era, AI era, if you're watching my video, so you can use the AI to boost your business. If you're already using the ChatGPT, it's a good start, but it is a tiny part of your AI revolution. ChatGPT doesn't understand your unique business need. What does ChatGPT know about your business, your customers, your product, and your team? The answer is nothing. Does the ChatGPT customers read the customers' emails, listen to the customers' calls, understand the pain point of what the customers are asking for? Does it look inside to your CRM, identify the high value customers for your sales and team to call them? No, it has a no view in your CRM. Does it build your website, funnels, host it in any domain, optimize it to over the time? The answer is no. Does it help you to pricing, packaging your product based on the customer's feedback? The answer is no. Does it read your website's customer feedback and launch the customer chat bot to communicate back and forth with your customer? The answer is no. So you are just missing exactly the opportunity of AI, what is going on in the right now in the market. What people do not understand is that ChatGPT is designed as an external tool, not integrated with your specific business process. It offers a general knowledge from across the internet, but lack of customized for your specific task. If you are only using the AI as external assistant, you are missing out all the full potential. And as a pupil, you use the same, other people also using the same technology. So what is the edge for your business? So the good news is that the specialized AI apps are being developed at all the time and designed to address a specific business challenge. There are so many companies who provide this solution, but as a business owner, you have to hunt all those different tools and providers and do little tasks for your business. The problem is the managing and integrating all these tools into your platform and talking to each other. Plus, how do you keep them updated, ensure they work together to help you to run a true AI-enabled business? None of having this solution. In fact, as per my best knowledge, no one even thought an attempt to put together a comprehensive method to put all these AI tools in the one place to solve all the business needs so that the company can work as AI driven company. To solve this, we have created the comprehensive suite of AI marketing tools that address all your business needs. That is what the Study Metro AI marketing does, to help you to run a business in an intelligent way, and you get all with one subscription. In other words, our goal is to get you to cancel all your multiple subscription you have for your software solutions for your business, and you use the Study Metro single subscription. Sign up for the Study Metro AI marketing by offering everything in a one place, like domain management, creating the videos, reels, shorts, broadcasting, emails, marketing, social media, creating the hyper realistic image design using the magic hooks, creating the funnels, blogs, all in a one single platform, including the CRM to manage the leads, generating the invoice, cloud storage of 5 terabyte, marketing proposals, and team productivity tools like task, notes, everything in the one single platform, all in the one platform. Imagine if you have all these tools which you use in your day-to-day life. If having everything in the one subscription, it's easy for you to run the business, and all these tools are connected each other. It's a simple drag and drop functionality. You can customize your interface and navigate to complexity of AI integrity seamlessly. We continue to update our apps to ensure you always have the latest features. As well, you can connect with all those things without the AI technical knowledge. With the one subscription, you can get access of powerful AI app stores. Each app is designed to work together, helping you to understand the business better, succeed in the market, cancel the other subscription, whatever you have, streamline your operation with all-in-one solution what the Study Metro AI marketing tools are providing to you. If you have any questions regarding how you use, again, you can book the meeting with our BDM and they can help you to solve all your queries. So Try it today and experience the difference. Our platform not only make the running your business easier, but also give you the complete edge. Whether you are agency or business owner, all AI solution can help you to deliver better results for your clients and outshine your competitions. And we provide the 3 days demo, so you can sign up and you can try by yourself how easy to use this AI apps. So ready to transform your business? Sign up now, a free trial, and discover the future of AI proven business management. Thank you very much for watching this video.